Hello students, now we come back to our SST chapter 5, some other cities. In previous class we were discussing about the metropolitan cities, and today we will study about the Bangalore city. Okay, Bangalore, earlier it was known as Bangalore, the capital of the southern India state of Karnataka. It is called the Garden City because it has many beautiful parks such as Lal Bagh, Botanical Garden and Kuban Park. Therefore, it is known as the Garden City. Now, climate in Bangalore. Climate enjoys a pleasant and moderate climate throughout the year. In Bangalore, they do not feel more hot or cold, but they have the pleasant climate there. Transport. Bangalore Metropolitan Transport Corporation's buses are the most important means of public transport in Bangalore. Nama Metro, a rapid transit system, operates in same parts of the city. Culture, it is practiced in Bangalore. Majority of people speak Kannada, however, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi and English are also spoken. Karaga, a festival celebrated in the name of goddess Sakti, is the most widely celebrated festival in Bangalore. So, there people speak mostly Kannada, but other language also being spoken there. And the festival which they observe is Karaga festival. Places of interest. Bangalore Palace, Kuban Park, Bindhana, Saudha, Lal Bagh, Tipu Sultan's Palace. These are the places of interest when you go to Bangalore. If you get chance, please visit these places and enjoy the beauty of this place. Now, we will discuss about the Hyderabad city. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. It includes the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad, both of which are connected by Hussain Sagar Lake. Here the picture is given the Hussain Sagar Lake, and this lake connects the Hyderabad and Secunderabad city. Therefore, these both city together known as twin cities. Climate. Hyderabad has hot summer and pleasant winters. In Hyderabad, during summer when you go to there, you will feel more hot, but during winter you will have pleasant experience. Transport. Public transport in Hyderabad includes state-run buses, taxi and metro rail. The places of interest. Golconda Fort, Mukha Masjid, Charminar, Hussain Sagar Lake, these are the places of interest. This is the picture of Charminar. And when you get a chance to go to Hyderabad, please visit all these places. It is very interesting. You will enjoy it. Culture. Telugu is the most widely spoken language in the city. Hyderabadi biryani and Hyderabadi halim are very popular dishes. There in Hyderabad you will get the Hyderabadi biryani, and that is very tasty and it is very delicious. So when you go to Hyderabad, please have a taste of it. Now we will come to the city Tirunandapuram, that is the capital of Kerala. Culture. Malayalam is the most widely spoken language in the city. Tamil and English are also used. In Kerala, when you go, you will you will hear people speaking Malayalam, but other languages also being spoken, that is mainly Tamil and English. Climate. The city has a hot and humid climate throughout the year because it receives rainfall the whole year. Since it is close to the sea and it receives rain whole year, therefore the climate is hot and humid there. Transport. City buses operated by Kerala State Road Transport Corporation are the most reliable means of transport in the city. Visakhapatnam International Seaport is an important port in the country. Places of interest. Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple, Padmanabhapuram Palace, Nipur Museum. These are the places of interest. Now we will come to Bhopal city. Bhopal is the capital of Central India state of Madhya Pradesh. It is also known as the city of lakes. Okay, this Bhopal is known as the city of lake. The city is well connected by Bhopal bus rapid transit system. Climate. Bhopal has hot and humid summers and cool and dry winters. Bhopal experiences hot winter and humid also. Places of interest. Sanchi Stupa, Tajul Masjid, the largest mosque in India. The mosque we have all over the India. Among them, the largest one is this masjid, this mosque, that is Tajul Masjid. Culture. Hindi is most widely spoken language in the city. Diwali and Eid are the major festivals. Poha, jalebi and acheri gosti are popular food items. Now we come to Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. It is situated on the bank of river Sabarmati. The Ahmedabad is situated in the bank of river Sabarmati and it is the largest city of Gujarat. Climate. Ahmedabad has hot and dry summers and cool winters. Monsoon is the only wet season that the city enjoys. Transport. Janmarg, a rapid bus transit system, is the reliable mode of public transport in the city. Culture. Gujarati is the most widely spoken language in Ahmedabad. Uttarayan, an annual kite flying festival, is in January. Navaratri and Diwali are the major festivals celebrated in the city. The Gujarati thali and assortment of dishes is very popular. Now you see here the places of interest. Sabarmati Ashram, Sidi Syed Mosque and the World City. These are the places of interest. Now again we come to Jaipur city. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is popularly known as the Pink City. Jaipur is known as the Pink City because the old places and most buildings here are rose colored. It is one of the India's first planned cities. When the India came to an existence, then the first city was Jaipur. Culture. Rajasthani is the main language spoken in the city. Hindi, English and Punjabi are also spoken here. Teej, Gangur and Elephant festivals are some of the main festivals. Dal bhati, churma, missi roti, gatte ki sabji, केर, संगरी, मक्के की घाट, बजरे की घाट, बजरे की रोटी and लाल मांस are the few popular food items. Places of interest. City Palace and Hawa Mahal is the places of interest in the Jaipur city. Now climate. Jaipur has hot summer and cold winter. Now we will see the last city is here, Guwahati. Guwahati is the biggest city in Assam and in the northeastern India. It is located on the banks of river Brahmaputra. Dispur, the capital of Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Is located within Guwahati. Culture. Assami is the most widely spoken language. Rangoli, Bihu, Bhogali Bihu and Durga Puja are the most popular festivals. Khar Masor, Tenga, that is tangy fish curry, and Aloo Pichka are the few popular food items. Climate. The city has hot and humid summers and cool winters. Places of interest. Kamakya Temple, Srimanta Sankardev Kalakshetra and Umanda Island. The world's smallest river island is the places of interest. So here we finish our two chapters, chapter 4 and chapter 5, the metropolitan cities of India and the some other cities. So once again, please go through all the cities and know little more, and I will be sending you the question answer in the WhatsApp. Please write in your copy and study. Thank you.